Hi, I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. I am an accessories lover. I love headbands, I love earrings, and I love brooches. And this week I am so excited to share with you two completely original and unexpected ways to wear your brooches. Now, every week I share an accessory styling video to give you a lovely boost. I would be so grateful if you would subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And what I love about brooches is the way that you can get so creative with them. You can really develop your own signature style, and that's what modern brooch styling is all about. So this week we're going to dive into two ways that you can wear brooches on your waist. We often think of wearing brooches on jackets and jumpers, on our lapels perhaps, or here I've got a lovely statement brooch just to hold this lovely furry jacket together. So those are the classic placements, but wearing a brooch on your waist is a really unexpected place to wear it. And so you're going to get lots of compliments if you try this. And it's also a great way of enhancing your waist if it's a good feature for you and drawing attention to it. The compliments will be flowing. So my first brooch is this gorgeous hematite brooch. It's a really classic circular shape. And as you can see, if you wear it with your jumper ruched up at the side and then you tuck the brooch underneath like I'm doing here, it's such an effective way to style your brooch because it's creating a little ruching effect which has a flattering effect on your tummy and your waist, and it's drawing the eye down to the waist, and it's just a lovely unexpected place to have a little bit of sparkle. We often think about wearing sparkly earrings or even wearing a sparkly hair accessory, but wearing a bit of sparkle on your waist is an unusual touch. Now, if you like silver, you'll love this styling. This is my best-selling silver pearl sunflower brooch, and here you can see I've styled it on a classic A-line skirt and a classic neutral top. It's got quite a 1950s vibe, and I'm drawing attention to that cinched-in waist on the skirt by adding the brooch. It's such a cute look, again drawing attention to that nipped-in waist to give a very feminine vibe. But it's a little bit different, not where you would expect to see a brooch, and it's so elegant. I hope you love those brooch placements. I would encourage you to have a go, try the brooches on your waist, or just get creative and have fun experimenting with your own signature style. Don't forget to subscribe because I would love to see you next week, and I'm so grateful that you're joining me. Thank you so much. Lots of love. See you next week.